again, grade 1. Today we will continue lesson number 1. What can we see in the sky? And yesterday we talked about daytime and nighttime. We said in the daytime sky we can see the sun, the clouds, and sometimes even the moon. And in the nighttime sky we can see the moon, the stars, and clouds also. Yesterday in the evening I took a picture. I want to show you my picture. Do you like it? No? That's because I don't have a telescope. I wish I had a telescope. I can take so many beautiful pictures. What is a telescope? This is a telescope. A telescope is a tool. We can use it to look at very far away things in the sky. Because a telescope can magnify things. You remember this word? We said we're gonna take it. Magnify means to make something looks bigger. And a telescope is a tool that helps us magnify things in the sky. If I had a telescope, I'm gonna use it to look at the moon, at the stars, at the planets. Wow! This is a picture of the moon that was taken by a telescope. Not a regular camera. A regular camera cannot take such a picture. Because the moon is far away. And because it is far away, it looks very small. When I use my camera or my cell phone camera, I'm not gonna be able to take such a beautiful picture. But a telescope can help me magnify. Magnify means to make something look bigger. Like the moon. It's far away, it looks small. I want it to look bigger. I want to magnify it. I can also see the craters on the moon. The big holes on the moon, we call them craters. Do you know what is this? This is a picture of a planet. We call it Mars. One of the 8 planets in our solar system. Mars is actually not small. Why does it look very small? Because it's far away. Do you think that this picture was taken with my cell phone? No. Actually, this picture was taken with a telescope also. But because the Mars is very far away, this is the biggest we could make. Mars is actually 225 million kilometers away. It's really far. It looks small. It's not small actually. It's really big. So when we come closer to Mars, do you think we're gonna take a better picture? Of course. But from Earth, we have to use a telescope to magnify the picture. This is Jupiter. It is another planet. Jupiter is 600 million kilometers away. And Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's larger than Earth. Our planet Earth. Jupiter is much larger than it. But because it's far away from us, we see it very small, even when we use a telescope to magnify it. What do you think this picture is? Yeah, this is our planet Earth. This is a picture that we took of our planet Earth from the moon. Someone who traveled to the moon, he took a picture of our planet Earth. And look how small it looks. Only because it's far away. Right? Whenever you have something far away from you, it's gonna look very small. But when you come closer to it, you can find how big it is. Eye on the sky. Open page 298. Stars and other objects in the sky look small. We can magnify them to see them better. Magnify means to make something look bigger. A telescope is a tool that helps us magnify things in the sky. Which picture shows the moon through a telescope? Which picture do you think was taken through a telescope? This looks normal, like I can see it in my eyes, or I can take it with my camera. But this one shows so many details, and it shows the moon bigger than it really looks. So this one was taken with a telescope or through a telescope. So put X on it. Now open the next page. Solve this riddle. Listen carefully. I am a tool. I make things look bigger. You can use me to observe things in the sky. What am I? Again, I am a tool. I make things look bigger. You can use me to observe things in the sky. What am I? Telescope. Excellent. Circle here. True or false? The first sentence. Stars are evenly spaced in the sky. That means they are evenly put in the sky that you can see even spaces between them. Of course not. We said sometimes we can see a group of stars and sometimes we can see a place that doesn't have stars at all. So false. Stars are not evenly spaced in the sky. False. The second sentence. Stars give off their own light. Right, because like the sun is a star. All the stars are shiny in the sky because they can give their own light. True. Next question. Draw two pictures, one for the daytime, one for the nighttime. And look what I did here. In the nighttime, I put for you a group of stars here, and one far away and another one further, because stars are not evenly spaced in the sky.